If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. To create a new non-inventory or service item in QuickBooks Online, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar. Then, click the Products and Services link under the Lists heading to open the Products and Services page. If you already created a product or service, click the New button in the upper right corner of the page and select the item type to create to open the Product Service Information pane. Alternatively, if creating your first new product or service, click the Add an Item button in the Products and Services page to open a Product Service Information pane at the right side of the window. First, type the name of the item into the Name field in the Basic Info section of the pane. If needed, then select the type of item to create from the Item Type dropdown. The choices are Inventory Item, Non-Inventory Item, Service, or Bundle. An inventory item is a product you buy and/or sell directly and for which you track quantities. A non-inventory item is used for items you buy and/or sell, but for which you don't need to track quantities. A service item is used for services your company provides to customers. A bundle item is used for items you sell together as a set. To create a non-inventory or service item, select either the non-inventory item or service choice from the Item Type dropdown as needed. Optionally, if you use SKU numbers, enter the item SKU into the SKU field. Optionally, to upload a picture of the item, click the Add an Image button to open a System dialog box, which you use to navigate to the picture of the item and click it to select it. Then click the Open button in the dialog box to upload it. To delete the picture of the item if needed, hover over the picture in the pane and then click the Delete button that appears. If you use product and service categories to organize your items, select the desired item category from the Category dropdown. To create a new product or service category, select the Add New choice from the drop-down menu, type the new category name into the Create Category pane that opens, and then click the Save button. To sell the item to customers, ensure there is a check mark in the I sell this product or service to my customers checkbox in the Sales section of the pane. Then enter the description of the item to show in sales forms into the Description field. You can enter the item's default sales price into the Price/Rate field. Use the Income Account dropdown to select the income account used to track sales of this item. If needed, to change the item's sales tax setting, select a choice from the Sales Tax Category dropdown. If needed, to select a specific sales tax category, click the View All Sales Tax Categories link in this drop-down menu to open a Select a Sales Tax Category pane, expand the desired category to view its options, select the desired option button, and then click the Select button at the bottom of the pane to return to the main Add a New Product or Service pane. If needed, to enable using this item in purchasing forms, check the I purchased this from a vendor checkbox in the Purchasing section to show additional purchasing fields. Then enter the item description to show in purchase forms into the Purchase Description field. You can enter the default purchase price into the Purchase Cost field or leave it blank if the cost varies too much and you just want to enter it at the time of purchase. Use the Expense Account dropdown to select the account to which to attribute purchases of this item. If you have a preferred vendor for the item, select them from the Preferred Vendor dropdown. To save the item and close the pane, click the Save and Close button in the lower right corner of the pane. To instead save the item and open another new pane to continue entering items, click the Save in New button instead. Alternatively, to cancel creating the item, click the Cancel button and then click Yes in the confirmation prompt that appears. Remember to click the Subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.